Hola, my name is Marcus from Marcus Language Academy. And today I like to talk about the intonation and pronunciation of Spanish. And this is also part of my Spanish course for beginners. More you will find in the description of the video. But now, let's get started. So first we start with our intonation, and if a word has an accent, this syllable is emphasized. So we have three words here. Árbol. Árbol is tree, and it has over the R-A-A an accent. So therefore we need to emphasize this syllable. So it's árbol, okay? Not árbol. Next word is canción. It's song, We have an over the O an accent, so it's canción, We emphasize this one. And we have football, okay? And we need to say football. And it would be wrong to say football, okay? Football. So this is our rule number one. If we have an accent, we emphasize this syllable. Rule number two is that we need our nose. Why? Because we have a nose rule. All the words, they end in a vowel or with N or S, because a nose has N and S and vowels, we need to emphasize the second last syllable. So we have here also three examples. So we have rojo, it's red, It ends in O, so we don't emphasize the last syllable. We emphasize the second last syllable. So it's rojo, rojo. Then we have tomates. Tomates ends in S. So again, nose, because it has an S, nose, we need to emphasize the second last syllable. So it's tomates. No, tomates or tomates, would be wrong. It's tomates. And we have comen. Comen, it's like they eat, ends in N, again, nose has an N, so we need to emphasize the second last one. So it's comen. That's the rule number two. But we have also all other consonants, and here, all other consonants except N and S, then we need to emphasize the last syllable, like azul, blue, azul ends in an L, it's not N or S, so we need to emphasize the last one, azul. Comer ends in an R, it's to eat, we need to emphasize now the last one. Comer, comer, it's comer. Or for example, in name, Daniel, Daniel, we say L at the end, so Daniel, And this is a little bit how it works, the intonation in Spanish, Quite nice, because we have really a rule, like it ends in vowel, N-O-S, so it's the second last, or it's another consonant, it's the last, and if we want to change the rule, we put an accent. Okay, so have the right nose for the intonation. So let's see now the pronunciation, and let's see all the letters that are different to English. Okay, what I don't explain here will be the same like in English. Okay, so let's see this. First one is A. Here we have the table. First you have the letter, then how you would pronounce it, and then I have a example sound, so you can remember it easy. So A, it's like in father, A, father. Next one. When we have a C before an E or an I, it's pronounced like an S. It sounds like an S, So, but remember, before an E or an I. Because if a C is before an A, O, U or consonant, it's pronounced like a K, like in cat, okay? So it depends where you find our C, you have like an S or like a K sound. The CH, it's like in church, quite strong, church, So CH always like church. The E, it's E, like in bed, bed, it's bed. The G before E and I, it sounds like an jalapeno, no? You are scraping the throat. Jalapeno, jalapeno, no? A little bit different, but you know it already from jalapeno. Okay. But if you have the G before an A, O, U or consonant, it's like in go, like the English go sound. G, go. The H actually is silent, no? For example, hola, no? We don't say hola, we say hola. So always the H is silent. The I, it's like E, like in machine, no? I, it's like machine. This one, la J, no? In Spanish you say J, no? Always like in jalapeno, no? Scraping your throat again, jalapeno, no? That's interesting because the double L, it's actually a letter of the alphabet, no? It's no, A, no? And it's pronounced like Y, no? Like in Mallorca, no? We don't say Mallorca, we say Mallorca, no? So la A, Mallorca. La ñ, no? This is also a special letter in the alphabet, and it's like an NY, no? Like in Kenyan, no? So ñ, no? Kenyan. The O, la O, no? It's like in cold. O, cold. Oh, that's a little bit tricky. It's also tricky sometimes for me. The R sound, no? It's really try to roll it, no? Restaurante, restaurante, no? So you need to practice a little bit, but you will get there, okay? I promise you. U, no? It's like in tuba, no? It's like tuba. The V, it's actually like almost like a B, no? Vino, no? Because we close our lips, we don't say vino with open lips, we close the lips, vino, no? Quite interesting, no? So sometimes we get confused with the V and the B, okay, in Spanish. The Y, it's like in you, or like in Latin America, like in just, okay? Just. In Latin America, it's a little bit more ch, and in Spain it's more like you, no? And just in Latin America, in Spain, you, okay? There's a little difference because obviously there are different accents in different countries, so we need to know this. And the C, it's in Spain like in thin, no? It's like thin, like cerveza, no? Thin. But in Latin America it sounds more like an S, okay? And the last one, if you have Q, U, no? It's like in K, like in cat, okay? For example, queso is cheese. It's written like with those two letters. It sounds like a K, no? Like in cat. Yeah. That's all for the intonation and pronunciation in Spanish. I hope you liked the video, okay? And please also leave me a comment what maybe is for you hard to pronounce, or what is hard for you to do. And maybe also tell me what you also need to know where you struggle with. So thank you very much. Muchas gracias y hasta pronto.